Thank you very much for your dedicated approach to getting critical messages across the whole country. There have been stories of incredible sacrifice, but also stories of totally unforgivable behavior. As you will be aware, there has been wide coverage of the case of approximately 23 rail workers in Kenema who chose to take direct strike action as a result of lack of backlog of payments. However, their action did not stop there. Some of those people, not all, but some, choose to remove victims of this vicious disease from the mortuary and put them on the streets. These victims were human beings with families, mothers, fathers, children. Their life was taken by a horrific disease, and yet despite this, these people chose to ignore the dignity of the disease and use their bodies in an act of selflessness. This was an utterly despicable act and has been widely condemned. These people will receive all of their back payments, but will then be dismissed from the service. What's the position of NAC on the CDC survey that medical practitioners? Okay, thank you very much.